Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Overnight, the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, rallied further and reached a fresh 20-year high of 108.06. This in return triggered the euro to decline to refresh its lows around 20 years. That is seen roughly just above parity. Looking at the market now, it appears that from the weak price action, we're getting very close to the bottom of the range, seen somewhere around 99.50 to 99.95. As you can see here from a broader aspect, but the market is expected to rebound from here. And the reason behind that is there is some divergence when it comes to the RSI. With the bullish divergence possibly kicking in, could see a rebound from 99.50 to 95, and from there recover some of its losses back to 101 to 102. Keep an eye on that level though, as if the market does take out 99.50, that would leave me neutral in the short term. The Australian dollar also tumbled overnight and took out the support level seen at 67.60, and from the breach now exposes the region of the broader assessment of 66.60-65. I'm not going to get negative at the bottom of this range here, as I feel the market has overstretched itself, and especially with the technicals holding up somewhat better than the euro, that the market may actually stage a rebound anywhere in front of 66, 60, 65. The dollar yen pushes higher overnight, and as I mentioned, that I am neutral. However, for those trading, could see a rally to 139.15.35, which is seen from the broader sense back here. Let me just bring this down a little bit to around this region. But as the market strengthens and also is overbought, I do anticipate eventually a pullback towards this trend line, which is seen somewhere around 133 figure 50 area. Sterling was also weaker and now pressures this key level seen at 119.10. From the 119.10.20, that is, the market may stage a somewhat rebound. There is bullish divergence here, so I'm not going to get negative towards the bottom side of this range. So let's see if we can get a rebound sometime either today or tomorrow. Sterling CAD, well, the market is still pressuring the support level after taking out the region of 155.20 and now posts a fresh low of 154.60. With the support taken out, does give further exposure to 153.75, but like the other markets, there is divergence to the bull case, so I feel there is potential to see a rebound very soon. Gold also slipped lower overnight as the dollar strengthens and takes out the level of 1,738. No real impulse or generated negativity in terms of the cut, but nevertheless we did close under there, so that does expose further risk towards 1,709 to 11, and with the downside key level seen at 1,686 to 91. I feel the market may start getting long towards or start seeing demand return as we get closer towards this bottom side of the range, because previously we saw a very strong hammer coming through here and we saw a strong dragonfly doji from this 1,690 area and may do so again. Oil also lost ground overnight. As you can see, the market took the challenge to the intraday lows around 98.30, taking out the support level of 99.30, but rebounded above that region. Unless we get a close under 99.30, then I still feel the market has the potential, that is, to rise up towards 103 to 104. But keep an eye on this level. I'll just put it in there at 99.30, just around here. And if we see a close under there, could see another down test back towards that bottom side of the range, around $92 a barrel. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, keep an eye out for the intraday report and also the end of the day wrap.